Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to give you a sneak peek and unboxing of some of the items that are going to be coming out in the mini catalog and celebration in January. So I'm super excited. As a demonstrator, we were able to purchase a little bit early, and if you become a demonstrator in December, you'll be able to choose from the new catalog as well as the annual catalog for any of your freebies, and you can even choose some of the items in the mini catalog that's current, so the Christmas and winter. So there's so much you can buy from all three catalogs right now. So I'm excited for those of you who join in December to be able to get all your stuff early like I did. So let's go ahead and let me show you a sneak peek of everything I got. So I purchased these little butterflies. They are paper butterfly accents, and they are so cute. They are on white cardstock, and you just punch them out, but you can color them with the blending brushes. You can color them with daubers or even the Stampin' Rights or blends. You can color them however you'd like, or you can leave them white, and they're gonna look so beautiful. So I got those. These, oh my gosh, adhesive backed hearts and flowers, little embellishments. They are adorable. Let's go with some embellishments here. We've got these. These are the purple fine shimmer gems. And these are the rainbow adhesive back dots. And look at all these colors. There's also a fresh freesia up here that you can't see. And this is a balmy blue. So pretty. Speaking of some balmy blue, I got this nice twine here. I think that is Flirty Flamingo, Lemon Lolly, and Balmy Blue. If I'm not mistaken, don't hold me to it, but I'm pretty sure that that's what they are. I just love the baker's twine, so that was perfect for me. Let's see, what do we have here? This is the Notes of Nature dies. These came in a bundle, so I was able to save 10%. And yes, demonstrators do get to take advantage of those bundle savings and sale prices and stuff like that. So I just love being a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. We've got the Notes of Nature. This is a cling set stamps. So it is on the red rubber. But look at you guys, I cannot wait to use this. I'm not even waiting for the catalog to go live. I just need to show you guys because I need to use it. But Note of Nature dies along with the stamp set. I mean, memory decks, you guys be on the lookout. I'm going to be doing journaling. I'm going to be doing my planner. I'm going to be doing just all kinds of stuff. Of course, making cards. I'll make cards as well. So, oh, my nail just broke. All right, so we've got that. And then this is the Planted Paradise. It's a photopolymer stamp set. So pretty. And, oh my gosh, those pots look so big. They don't look that big in the catalog. So, if you want to get a sneak peek at the catalog, make sure you join in December so you can see it. All right, this is also a bundle. This is a bundle that I got for free because we do get to earn for free during Celebration. And during pre-order, you still get to earn Celebration items in advance. So it's called pre-earn, but you get them right now. This is the Celebration bundle, and what it is if you spend $100, then you get to get this set for free. So I was able to get this, and I just love it. This is this embossing folder and the stamp set. And the stamp set is photopolymer. All right, and then what is the last thing? I'm going to take these out because I have not yet seen the actual size of them. They are mini alphabet dies, so they will fit in your mini, I'm going to just rip this off because I never keep this part. They'll fit in your mini cut and emboss machine. So let's look at the size. Super excited for this. Oh, yes. They are mini, but they're not too tiny, and they've got that bubble lettering. It looks very much like if you have a Cricut back in the day, that bubble lettering that everybody used on their Cricut. So we've got that, and it's all one. But I'm going to double check just to make sure. I've got my mini machine. We're going to see. I said it works on the mini, and now I just need to make sure. So, oh yeah, that's going to fit through there easily and perfectly. So, very nice. That is the mini alphabet dies. And you can put just one little piece of paper where you need it, or you can run it through with all different colors and then have all the letters all the time ready for you. But I like that it has a couple A's in there, some H's, some O's, the R, the S, the T, those are all in there. The N's and L's are double lettered. The E's are double lettered, the I's. I love this. All right, beauties, let me know what you think. What is your favorite item that you saw? I'm thinking I have to go with the Notes of Nature. That is my favorite, and I cannot wait to show you more. All right, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to be your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And if you are looking to join the Stampin' Up! Team, I would love to have you on my team. We are the Stamping Beauties, and it would be an honor to have you. All right, you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.